Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make money with Figma. We'll dive into several easy methods to transform your design skills into a valuable income stream. Figma offers incredible versatility, allowing you to create stunning user interfaces and experiences. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced designer, there are opportunities to monetize your talent. Let's explore how you can start earning with this fantastic design tool right away. One excellent way to earn with Figma is by creating and selling UI kits and templates. Imagine designing a complete set of buttons, navigation bars, and input fields, then packaging them for other designers. You can also create full website or app templates. Platforms like Gumroad or UI8 are perfect for showcasing your work. With a good product, you could see consistent passive income, potentially earning hundreds and even thousands of dollars monthly from multiple sales. Another highly effective method is offering your UI/UX design services as a freelancer. Many businesses need skilled designers to create intuitive and attractive digital products. You can find numerous opportunities on platforms like Upwork or Fiverr. Freelancers often charge anywhere from $50 to $100 per hour, depending on their experience and project complexity. Building a robust portfolio showcasing your best Figma work is key to securing these valuable projects. Finally, consider developing Figma plugins or other valuable resources. If you have a knack for coding or creating unique assets, you can build tools that streamline workflows for thousands of designers. Think about icon sets, custom illustrations, or even unique font families. Share these through the Figma community, and you can monetize them through premium versions, subscriptions, or even a Buy Me a Coffee donation model. This approach allows you to reach a wide audience and generate income.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.